guys, so I was looking on how we can possibly fix the issue when your ROG Ally is not launching games, and this is something I found already. Maybe it's going to help to fix the issue. So first thing you can try to do is reboot your console force restart your SS ROG Ally to clear temporary files and settings. This involves pressing and holding the power button for at least 10 seconds. And then just turn it back on. Then you can also change date and time, fix the issue by adjusting date and time according to your time zone. This is done through the Windows settings. So these are the two things that you can try to do. Then you can disconnect and reinsert the micro SD card. And then you want to try also the update BIOS and drivers. So this is another thing that you can try to do. And then also what you can try to do is that reinstall the game. Reinstalling the problem with the game can resolve the issue. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.